Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am sitting on my front porch currently. It is turned out to be a beautiful sunny day here in the Midwest. I am so excited for this video because we are finally planting the cut flower garden today, which feels like a long time coming because I've spent a month just talking about my plans, showing you guys the seeds I bought, and so I'm excited to finally be able to plant it today. It is so sunny out and just beautiful, and so I'm excited to take you guys along with me. So without further ado, let's get started.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree.
Okay guys, the garden is officially planted. I did a little bit more of the chaos gardening technique, but I did add a couple more layers of soil after I tilled these up. I just did a mixture of all the flowers that I got in each bed. I'm really excited to see how it all turns out. They really flourished last year, and so I have hope. Now the work is all done. We've done what we could do. We're just waiting to see little green specks pop up. So gardening day was successful.
It happened when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Good morning guys, it is a new day and I'm very excited because I'm going to go to the garden center, maybe a greenhouse. I'm going to hit up Hobby Lobby. We're just going to browse around. I'm wanting to make a little birdhouse, and so I'm going to look around at Hobby Lobby to maybe get some things to make a birdhouse, do a little craft, because we have had tons of birds hanging out on our porch, and sometimes that's not the most convenient thing because obviously they'll poop and everything. So just trying to provide a little birdhouse for them on one of our trees. But I'm wanting to get some ivy and maybe a tomato plant today from the greenhouse. But we shall see where today takes us. It's really nice outside. I had a very slow morning, and I'm just excited for the day ahead. So without further ado, let's get to it and let's go browse around. So I made it to Lowe's. I think today I'm going to look for a tomato plant, and I'm looking for some like ivy to put in a pot and to like trellis it, you know? So those are the two main things that I'm looking for. I would like to get some hanging baskets, but I might wait because I'm wanting to go to a greenhouse in the next couple weeks. And so we're looking for a tomato plant and an ivy today. So let's go look around and see if we can find it. Guys, I am back from the garden center, so I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. This, it's called the Elegance Mounding Lavender, and so I can literally smell the aroma of it just like holding it like this. So I'm excited to put it in front of our porch so that it comes back every year, but it just has the essential oil lavender smell, and it smells so good. I got some lemon balm to put in the kitchen. This smells so good. I'm excited to use it for eating and drinking. And then I got some English ivy, got a strawberry plant and a tomato plant. So I'm gonna put this in a pot, and hopefully this summer I'll be able to come out and get some strawberries and some tomatoes to cook with. This one first. My camera ended up dying, but she is planted, and now we just need to get some mulch and all that jazz on the porch. It literally smells so good, but it's a perennial, so it'll come back. I'm really wanting to like fill this all, but